is Keolin from Guangdong Wellcan Steel Structure and Modular Housing Company Limited. We are the 100 export factory. Focus on container house, container villa, steel structure, prefab house, and portable toilet for 14 years. Today, I strongly recommend to you our 3 wholesale products: folding container house, expandable container house, flat-pack container house. Folding container house is special for foldable design. 4 steps, 4 minutes to install one house. The size is 2.5 meter by 5.8 meter by 2.6 meter high, 40.5 square meter. We can load 12 units in 140 feet high cube. Expandable container house from 20 feet container to 2-bedroom apartment. The size is 5.8 meter by 6.3 meter by 2.5 meter high. Total is 36 square meter. We can load 2 units in 40 feet high cube. Flat-pack container house is special designed by complete roof and floor. 1 hour install one house. The size is 2.425 meter by 5.9 meter by 2.8 meter high. Total is 40.3 square meter. Foldable container house is for dormitory. Flat-pack container house is for office, shop. Expandable container house for managed apartment.